Samsung fans are eagerly waiting for One UI 7.0. There has been some confusion about the release date. One UI 7.0, Android 15, might be released in October 2024. Here's everything about One UI 7 all-new features. One UI 7 also featuring a dynamic island, with a stopwatch appearing as a pill on the left of the notification shade. Samsung One UI 7, first look and key features revealed. Samsung is introducing a completely new set of icons with One UI 7.0. The company is revamping all stock app icons, including dialer, contacts, settings, camera, gallery, browser, theme, and more. These icons depart from the traditional Android material design aesthetic. The icons now incorporate gradients and shadows, giving them a 3D look. The Android 15 update for Samsung's Galaxy phones will apparently bring with it new icons with softer, more rounded edges, as well as new color schemes. The latest One UI 7 leak showcases some of the most notable changes, including a refreshed two-page notification panel that offers separate access to notifications and the quick settings panel. And here is the notification panel in a light mode and dark mode. This is new look screen pane. Now you can add more widget on your home screen. And this is One UI 7 lock screen, and also new charging animation. Boost dialogue and loudness normalization features in the sound quality and effects settings. Boost dialogue amps up the voices in videos so that you can hear them in noisy environments. One UI 7 will enable Galaxy users to seamlessly continue calls and video calls across devices. This means you could answer a call on your Galaxy smartphone and transfer it to your Galaxy Tab or TV with a simple gesture. Based on all the leaks so far, Samsung appears to be planning some major design changes with One UI 7. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.